Hi guys, welcome to Bridgerton Investments. The market was very volatile as of right now. What I was expecting was some form of crypto, not cycle, some form of Iran war to cause some negative to be expect. I was expecting some negative, but it didn't happen. It was a terrible weekend for me in terms of position. I hit a lot of trailing stop loss. You can see my stop loss was I hit a lot of stop losses. And this is my net PNL. My net PNL was down to 300 uh, 2,900. Now it's back to 3,300. That's okay. I like to show my goods and bad days. Uh, and this is my I had taken finally leverage trades. I have taken two leverage positions. So if I get stopped out on either one of these two, I lose about 1,000 rupees, which I am fine. So like if you take its current value, it's uh, uh, around around like if I lose around 1,000, so that's it about true. So we'll see how it goes. We I am sensing Iran war is going to resume because oil. Because if you see here, there's oil is showing signs of no, oil is at a very let us say it has now crashed a lot. So if Trump sees something potential in oil, he will say Iran, we are going to hit Iran very hard. So we'll see how it goes. We'll see how it goes. Okay, now go to the main topic. What do we news part? I feel Indian public crypto market would be on a would be on mm, bubble right now. Misho has sold some equity. Misho's equity has been reduced. SoftBank also uh, is trimming their position. If you look at Misho's uh, Misho, oh, 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 Misho. Misho was in a very bad downturn. Lenscut as well was in a downtrend, and this could show that the signs of Indian startup listed startups are at signs of showing negative. The bubble could burst. All the startups have been raising up, uh, like pumping up like crazy. Lenscart, Misho, that's Misho. Misho has been pumping up like crazy, and it's showing no signs of a drag down. I'm like, how long would it continue? These companies are not turning in any profit. If they're turning in any profits or showing in revenue, then it's just uh, paper profits. That's it. You know, Misho is struggling to turn profits, and it didn't get a right to earn about 26% year to year. Uh, it didn't have it got no, what do I say? No right. I'm calling it rights to earn about uh, 26%. It is completely unjustified, but that could bring a lot of opportunity to me. Uh, that could bring a lot of opportunity to me. For example, I could finally get some, if the bubble is showing sign of bursting, it could mean I can accumulate into Ether, which I wanted to do it, grow, grow, grow. I wanted to accumulate a bit, grow at accumulate a bit at a discount, and Zepto IPO would be even extended more. Those guys, I'm sure. Moment these guys IPO, they will all, I'm sure every retailer would rush into it and pump up the price. Liquidity happens for the early investors. They become the liquidity for early investors, and they all lose their money. And mutual fund will also jump in right now. So I think now Zepto would also wouldn't IPO. And another thing which I wanted to share was uh, BLS International. BLS International did show crash. I always show positivity about my investing, but this time I am showing negativity or negative news. It crashed a lot. Apparently, mm, apparently, what happened was it ran into fraud allegation. I'll open this link in a much more better way. It ran into allegation, and fraud allegation with some Spanish uh, fraud allegation in the Spanish market. Did some fraud allegation, but companies saying it didn't do. It's completely fake. So uh, I'm not sure what to believe in, but obviously I cannot make the call right now. I'm not. I have no intention of selling BLS International. I'm holding it because you can see the revenue growth of BLS International. It is at a growing stage. It's a growing business, and you always want to invest in growing business. I hope it's negativity, even though if it's negative, if it's, I hope this is false. Even if it's false, I would still hold it, but I will not accumulate any of it. So yeah, that's it from me. And this hope this uh, uh, it goes according to the direction which I wanted. So yeah, that's it from me today. Please like the video, subscribe. I'll see you in uh, tomorrow's video. Bye.